Good morning, sir. By the way, Sakara and from BSF Matri, sir, we are here, sir, to conduct an interview for an educational purpose only. So, I have here, sir, seven following questions. The first, sir, is what mathematical rules are used to solve the problem?
So, first, the mathematical rules or principle or concept that I use or follow to answer this question is what we call the PEMDAS rule.
Second question, sir, is why did you think mathematical rules like PEMDAS and self-expression?
Ano?
Why did you think mathematician needs rules like PEMDAS when solving expression?
So, for me, using rules such as PEMDAS in solving a mathematical problem, we need these certain rules so that when we are solving an equation, we would arrive all in same answer. Not like providing because if we don't follow a certain rules, when we solve an equation, it might be different answer. So when following a certain rule, it will give us exact one answer.
The third question, sir, can you explain what might happen if people solve math problems without following our operation?
So what happened to
What happens if people solve math problem without following our operation?
so if people solve problem without following the mathematical operation, this will provide a lot of answer if we don't follow a certain operation. This provides a lot of
Man-answer mo,
a
wait
lot
lang.
of confusion and also a lot of misconception that can lead into a bunch of arguments.
For the fourth question, sir, which part of PEMDAS do you find the easiest to understand and why?
So the part of PEMDAS is actually all of the part in PEMDAS is easily to understand and to use. It's it's that like we just need to use it accordingly like letter P, which is parenthesis first before equation, and equation first before multiplication, and multiplication first before division, and etc. and etc.
For the five questions, sir, is which part do you find the most challenging? The most challenging and explain your difficulty.
Hindi ko pa So, the one that I find difficult here is the hard part, which is the question number 5, because there are a lot of variables there, which if you don't understand it very well, it can confuse you. So, this part is the harder part for you.
The next is how are multiplication and division related in PEMDAS?
How multiplication and division are related to members? Well, members, multiplication and addition can be used or can be used interchangeably. Accordingly, each of them is cured first. So if the multiplication occurred first, if there are two operations, multiplication and division, which among them is first, then that's the first thing that we're going to use. If the multiplication is the first operation, then that's the one we use first. And if the division is the first, and then the division is we use first.
How about, sir, addition and subtraction?
So, same with addition and subtraction, it depends if who amongst them is the first. Addition is the first, then we will use addition. If subtraction is the first, then we will use subtraction.
That's all, sir. Thank you, sir.